Hello, and today we're going to make a fun little project here. It's a stone moccasin. As you can see, it's pretty simple to do. So you want to start by finding a rock similar to this, or something like this, at least roundish and oblong. You're going to get your paintbrush. Find it works best if you don't want to clean up your table, you do it on a piece of paper. Then you just start painting your rock. You want the rock the color to be similar to what leather would be. This is kind of a golden tan color, so that's what I'm going with. It doesn't necessarily have to be. Nowadays they dye leather, however. So you just continue like that until you get it fully painted. Now that we got it fully painted all around, now you got to do your, up here has to be a black, has to be a black circle. That way it covers up, that's inside here, so you don't see the tan. You don't really need this, I guess, but it's just more for a cosmetic look. You just paint your circle. Now I purchased this at a store. It kind of looks like fur, so that's why I'm using it. You just cut a chunk off. You roll it around. And I intertwine it like this, just to so we have some to work with here. This is where you get your glue gun. And your glue stick. This is where you glue around your circle here. And you put your fur down. And you get your little sign. Now you got to paint your toe. So you can do the floral design. This does take a little bit of time in between for drying. I'm just kind of quickly showing you here, but you would allow dry time, so you wouldn't be gluing on that. It's still wet and everything else. Now you need to make your toe. There we go. You just want to put some type of design on. Design's totally up to your choice. I'm going to put some wild roses on. So you need a dot and a dot. Kind of want like a little flat brush for the petals. You just put a little gob, a little dab. That one's not quite. Use this one, and you just do your petals. Just need 2 leaves. A leaf there. A leaf up here. And there you go. Now you got 2 moccasins. Alright, I hope you enjoyed this, and until next time, talk to you later.